Why do some children like to draw? Why do others like to work with physical objects? Why are some children good at math? Why are some children good at language? These are a complex set of questions. And when we try to think about or when we try to understand these whys, you come to the idea of predisposition. Predisposition is a very interesting and actually quite a complex idea. There are two kinds of predispositions broadly. One is the natural predisposition and the other is the nurtured predisposition. All of us have been created very unique. So the likelihood of what my interests are, what my abilities are, what my skills are, what do I like, what do I not like. There is a certain element or a certain part of this that is already pre-coded. Then come the life experiences, especially the early life experiences, which create predisposition. Now, I may not be teaching maths at this point in a formal way, but how can I actually do certain things that will predispose this child towards mathematics? So there are these two elements of natural predisposition and nurtured predisposition. Natural predisposition is something that an educator should work towards discovering. Nurtured predisposition is something that the educator can actively create, co-create with the child. Each of these can result in either a short-term or a long-term outcome, and that should not bother us. We should just create this world for them and allow the child to go wherever the child wishes to go or where nature leads them. In a formal space, we do not have the luxury of working one-on-one with a child. We are naturally forced to work in groups of 15 if you are privileged, or in groups of 70 or 80 if you are not privileged. And yet you must, work towards how am I going to give a lot of experiences, give a lot of exposure so that both the natural and the nurtured predispositions thrive. How do we create predisposition in a child? A parent sitting next to a 1-year-old babbling child, reading to him or her, this simple act predisposes the child towards reading. Shall we do a simple activity? Do exactly as I am doing. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you tell me what mathematical concepts I predisposed you towards.